It can be challenging to pinpoint what a joke is. When asked, many would say that a joke is something told to others to make them laugh. Even though this is true, it is more of a description for the desired effect of a joke. After all, there are many jokes that get a huge laugh in one situation and fall flat in another. If a joke falls flat, does it mean that it is no longer a joke? Even if the joke does not make them laugh, most people can still recognize it as a joke. As such, part of understanding the answer to the question, what is a joke, is that it's not contingent upon its success. This is because every joke tends to have a consistent framework to it. The problem is that until now, the framework has not been shared so that everyone can understand it. This part is going to change this and explain the framework of a joke. There are two common parts of a joke that most people already understand. 1. The build-up of trust, known as the setup, and 2. The induced laughter, known as the punchline. The first and second parts of jokes are defined as follows. 1. The beginning of the joke, where you build the audience's trust, is the setup. 2. The critical second part of the joke is the punchline, that makes the audience laugh. Now you have a better understanding of what a joke is and the two most common parts of a joke. There is still one small problem. They still do not explain a joke. Let's continue to more in-depth explanation. Main parts of a joke. 1. You create an expectation during the setup. 2. You reveal a surprise as the punchline. Great. Now you know everything there is to create a great joke, right? Wrong. You now know what a joke does, but how do you create an expectation and then reveal the surprise? Although you likely knew what a joke is, at least unconsciously, now that we have had the opportunity to define it clearly, you should be better prepared to write your own comedy.